All right, scholars. At this time, all of us should be reading our assigned pages of the day. The first thing you should be doing is going to your Google Classroom, either Cal State Fullerton ELA or Cal Poly ELA. We're going to go to our Cami library and we're going to open our reading, The Outsiders or Los Rebeldes. And I want to do a read aloud on page 13 because I want you to see how I'm looking for evidence that's going to help us with the prompt. Is Derry resentful or protective of Ponyboy? So remember, we're underlining key ideas that are going to help us understand that question. And when you come to class, you're better suited to have class discussion. So here we go. Speaking of movies, Dally yawned, flipping away his cigarette butt. I'm walking over to Nightly Double tomorrow night. Anybody want to come and hunt some action? Steve shook his head. Me and Soda are picking up Evie and Sandy for the game. He didn't need to look at me the way he did right then. I wasn't going to ask if I could come. I never tell Soda because he really likes Steve a lot, but sometimes I can't stand Steve Randall. I mean it. Sometimes I hate him. Derry sighed. I just like I knew he would. Just like I knew he would. Derry never had time to do anything anymore. I'm working tomorrow night. Dally looked at the rest of us. How about y'all? Two bit, Johnny Cake, and you and Pony wanna come? Me and Johnny come, I said. I knew Johnny wouldn't open his mouth unless he was forced to. Okay, Derry. Yeah, since it ain't school night, Derry was real good about letting me go places on the weekends. On school nights, I could hardly leave the house. I was planning on getting booze up tomorrow night, Two Bit said. If I don't, I'll walk over and find y'all. Steve was looking at Dally's hand. His ring, which he had rolled a drunk senior to get, was back on his finger. You break up with Sylvia again? Yeah, and this time ain't for good. That little broad was two-timing me again while I was in jail. I thought of Sylvia and Evie and Sandy and two big many blondes. They were the only kind of girls that would look at us, I thought. Tough. Loud girls who wore too much eye makeup and giggle swore too much. I like Soda's girl, Sandy, just fine. Okay, scholars, right over here we have really good details that are helping us understand the relationship between Derry and Ponyboy. I want to point out to this part. Derry sighed, just like I know he would. Derry never had time to do anything anymore. I'm working tomorrow night. So I'm gonna go over here and highlight this. And the reason I want to highlight this is because this is telling us that Derry has all this responsibility. He's the one that does all the working, right? He's the one that's taking care of Soda Pop and Ponyboy. So what is that telling us about him? So I'm gonna put a little comment here. No, I think I have to come. And right there, I'm gonna write, well, it's evidence. Derry is always working because he has the responsibility of taking oh, of taking care of his brothers. And let's make an inference about this. If he's always working, he can't have fun. Do you guys think that he's happy about his life? Do you think he really loves to work and that he never gets to do any of the fun things? I want you guys to think about that. As you continue to read these pages, please look for key evidence that's going to help us understand the relationship between Derry and Ponyboy. Does he have strong feelings against Ponyboy because he has to take care of him? Or is he generally trying to protect him? Is he a big brother? A good brother that wants to protect his little brother? Okay? Scholars, if you have any questions, please let me know. If not, I can't wait to see you in class and see what you guys have to say. Bye!